Finally got my hands on that Milwaukee Insider Ratchet. It comes with a socket rail 8mm through 21mm, skips 20mm, 1/4 inch anvil, 3/8 inch anvil, tip for the bits as well. Now let's compare the differences using the 8mm. The Insider 8mm still looks way bigger. Hard to tell off this angle, but the Insider trumps the two snap-on ratchets. Here's a side-by-side versus the 1/4 inch snap-on ratchet. Here's the side-by-side versus the snap-on 3/8 ratchet.
Can't wait to try it out. I know the snap-on ratchet is stronger. I bought the Insider for the purpose of the low-profile head and to get into places the regular ratchet doesn't fit. By no means am I saying one is better than the other, just loving the clearance.